it's me again. Welcome back to my channel, Jeanette's Lifestyle. Hope everybody is doing well po. And anyway, for my today's vlog, I just wanted to share to you my version of how I make my simple recipe when it comes to meatballs, yeah. So in meatballs, you can use either pork or beef or chicken meat, yeah, something like that. But for me, I'll be using pork, yes. And of course, I have here the breadcrumbs, which I took it from the sliced bread, yeah. And of course, for my seasons, I'll be having salt, marjoram, and of course, the black pepper. And for my sauce later is that the dill, yes, the powdered one. And of course, the egg, which is the medium sized. And for my sauce later, I'll be having a 1 tablespoon of flour and a garlic, a chopped one, and of course 1 piece of beef cubes, yeah, or cube, I mean. Okay, so this breadcrumbs, I'll be using 2 sliced. Yes, so I just used I took the side portion, yeah, which is the brown side, so I'll be using only those white, yes. And I cutted it, or because later I'm gonna mix it into this pork meat mince. Okay, so once again, hope you will enjoy watching this recipe of mine when it comes to making a meatballs. Okay, so please stay tuned. And hi guys, welcome back. So for now, I'll be marinating the said meat mince, yeah. So in a bowl, I'm gonna put this 500 grams of pork meat mince, yes, to marinate. And then of course, I'll be adding the egg, yeah. There you go. And the bread crumbs, of course. And the marjoram, salt, and the black pepper, of course. Marinate them, yeah. There you go. This is just a quick and easy recipe when it comes to marinating the pork meat mince and make it as a meatballs, yeah. So I'm very thankful because my family love this so much, and I'm serving this with either mashed potato or plain rice, yeah. But of course, for my family, they like mashed potatoes, yeah, because it is the perfect partner of this I mean pork meatballs, yes. So it's just like this, yes, yeah. You can also mix this with hands, yeah, but of course, if you are using our hands, we need to wash it properly and use gloves, yeah, the disposable gloves. Okay, so but for me, I prefer this one. Yes, so this is just very simple. Okay, there you go. Welcome back po. So this time, after marinating the pork, I'll be already using a gloves, yeah, disposable gloves, and mold already the meat into meatballs po. Okay, Ayan, gagawa na po tayo ng meatballs. Ayan. So, nag-gloves na po ako. Mga ganyan lang po siya. Isang tablespoon niya. Para madali pong maluto. No? Ayan. So, ganun lang po siya. Kasi after po nito is i-deep fried po natin yung meatballs, okay? And then after that, gagawa na po ako ng sauce. So ganyan lang po siya. Yan. So maliit lang po siya, 'di ba? Madali pong maluto. Ayan, 1 tablespoon, yan, something like that. So ganito lang po ang proseso hanggang sa maubos po itong mixture natin niya or marinate ng ginawa nating pork na minarinate. Okay? So, ganyan lang po siya. O, diba? Napakadali lang. Ayan. So, ang importante po is that gumamit po talaga tayo ng gloves, disposable gloves. Para po, syempre, para malinis yung ating gawa kasi nga homemade, which is very important po. Kaya para po sa akin mas maganda pa rin po talaga na homemade tayo pagdating sa ganitong bagay. Yes, kasi hindi po natin alam yung iba kung paano po nila ito niluluto. Okay, so tapusin lang po natin ito hanggang sa maubos, and then i-deep fry po natin mamaya. Okay, please stay tuned. Welcome back po. So, ito na po yung na-finish meat na ginawa kong meatballs. So, it's time for us to deep fry. Yes. So, ito na po siya. Reheat na po ako ng oil, and then ilalagay ko na po siya. Yan. Yan. So, mga third batch po siya. Okay? So, we'll just deep fry it until it's light brown po. Okay? Welcome back po. So, this is my last batch, Kukunin na po natin. Okay. And it's ready for me to make a sauce for this one. Okay? So, samahan niyo po ako kung paano ko po ginagawa ang kanyang sauce. So, ito na po. Gagawa na po ako ng sauce. Lagyan lang po natin ng konting mantika para po gisahin natin ang bawang. Okay? Ito po, bawang. Okay? Marami po ang nilalagay ko kasi mabango po siya. Ayan. So, gisahin lang po natin. Ayoko po na masyadong sunog kasi nga pangit din pag sobrang sunog. And then, lalagay ko na po itong meatballs ulit. Ayan. There you go. Hinaan lang po natin ng apoy. Stir lang po natin siya ng konti. Ayan. Tapos lagyan po natin siya ng tubig. Okay? Ayan. Lagpas po. Para po at saka ilagay po natin itong beef cube, yes. Okay, pampalasa. And then, ayan. Pakuluan lang po natin siya ng konti. Yeah. Cover. Pakuluan lang po. It's like a minute. So, ayan. Welcome back. Let's check. And it's already boiling po. So, it's time for me to put the dill. Yes, the powdered one. Kunti lang po. Ayan. Just check. Okay. And ito po, this is the last one that I'm going to add. Yeah. Ito po yung flour kanina. Nilagyan ko po siya ng cold water. Kasi po pag warm water ay magbibilog po siya. So, kailangan cold water yung ilalagay. Okay. Ayan po siya yung flour. Tapos, dahan-dahan ko lang po siyang lalagyan nito para po pag bigla ko siyang nilagay ay hindi po siya magbibilog. Yes? Ayan, para hindi po ma-shock yung flour pag bigla ko siyang lagay. Ayan. There you go. So, it's time for me to add na po. Ayan. Para hindi po siya bilog-bilog yung flour. Yan. So, just simmer po for a minute. Yeah. And then, it's finally done po. But before that, I'm going to add this black pepper. Okay. There you go. So, this is just simple and easy. Yes. Or quick. Yeah. That's it po. And simmer for... So, this is already, guys, my finished menu for my today's vlog, which is the pork meat mince, yeah, in meatballs. This is perfect for mashed potatoes or plain rice, of course. So, hope you guys enjoyed watching my recipe for today once again. And if you are still new to my channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and also hit the bell button for you to be updated for my new videos to come, okay? Once again, thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Stay safe always, and God bless everyone. Love you guys.